Welcome to my channel Shifted Drive. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter has arrived, and it's not just another SUV update, it's a purpose-built adventure machine designed from the ground up for overlanding and off-road exploration. Toyota has taken the legendary DNA of the 4Runner and elevated it with the Trailhunter trim, a factory-ready package that blends rugged durability with modern technology. This isn't just about looking tough, it's about being capable enough to handle the harshest terrains right out of the showroom without needing aftermarket upgrades. From the moment you see it, the Trailhunter stands out with its bold, boxy exterior that channels classic 4Runner heritage while adding modern touches. Aggressive body cladding, signature Trailhunter badging, roof racks, and a higher ground clearance immediately tell you this SUV means business. The LED lighting setup ensures visibility in all conditions, while the skid plates and beefed-up bumpers reinforce the idea that this is built for trails, rocks, and mud, not just city streets. Under the hood, Toyota introduces the latest iForce Max hybrid-assisted powertrain, balancing impressive torque and towing capacity with improved efficiency. That means you can haul gear, tow a trailer, or climb steep mountain trails with confidence while still enjoying better fuel economy compared to older generations. The Trailhunter's advanced four-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and specialized suspension ensure it's more than ready for rocky paths, sandy deserts, and wet forest roads. Step inside, and the Trailhunter greets you with a cabin that combines rugged utility with modern comfort. Durable materials are used throughout, built to handle dirt and wear, but Toyota hasn't skipped on refinement. Expect a large infotainment screen with seamless smartphone connectivity, a digital driver display for all your essential data, and a host of trail-focused features like inclinometer displays and multi-terrain camera views. The seats are designed for long journeys, with supportive cushioning, ample legroom, and modular cargo configurations that make it easy to store camping gear, tools, or overlanding essentials. One of the biggest advantages of the 2026 4Runner Trailhunter is its factory-installed overlanding gear. Toyota has equipped it with heavy-duty roof racks, pre-wired ports for auxiliary lighting, off-road tires, skid plates, and recovery points. That means adventurers no longer need to spend thousands on modifications to get trail-ready, it's all built in. This factory approach gives peace of mind that everything has been tested and engineered to Toyota's high standards. Technology plays a big role too. Toyota Safety Sense is updated with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and enhanced off-road driver aids like crawl control and downhill assist. For explorers who plan to be far from civilization, these tools add both safety and confidence during long expeditions. The 4Runner has always been an icon of durability and reliability, and with the Trailhunter, Toyota is proving it still knows how to build an SUV for enthusiasts who want more than a daily commuter. This isn't just about driving from point A to point B, it's about getting off the beaten path, spending days in the wild, and knowing your vehicle won't let you down. The 2026 4Runner Trailhunter isn't trying to be a luxury SUV, it's aiming to be the most capable adventure rig you can buy directly from a dealership. Whether you're comparing it to the Ford Bronco, Jeep Wrangler, or even Toyota's own TRD Pro models, the Trailhunter brings a unique offering by focusing on overlanding right from the start. With a rugged exterior, advanced hybrid powertrain, versatile interior, and trail-ready accessories, the 2026 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter is more than just an SUV, it's a ticket to adventure. So, if you've been waiting for an SUV that blends Toyota's legendary dependability with true factory-built off-road readiness, the 2026